Hello everybody! Today we're going to be working on printmaking. We are using scratch art foam board to print, so we're drawing into the foam. Once you're done with your design, we're going to be inking the printing plate. We're using some NASCO colored printing ink. The roller is called a brayer, and with the brayer you're going to want to try to spread the printing ink out evenly onto your plastic board. Once you're done with that, you're going to ink your plate, your foam plate. And we want to roll the ink on evenly, not too thick, not too thin. You just want to have an even coating for the best possible print. You're probably going to have to print a few times. Once you get an even coating, we're going to get our clean piece of paper out, which we kept aside. We want to try not to get any smudges on that paper. Carefully, without touching it too much on the front, you're going to want to flip over the plate, centering it onto your paper best you can. And then we're going to gently flip it over. You want to rub with flat hands. You're rubbing to try to get the ink to adhere to the paper as much as possible. So we're going over the edges, over the center, rubbing everything out gently. Then you can peel it back, and this is a one color print. We're going to go a little further. We're going to make a two color print. So I'm going to be cutting out some details that I want to print again in a second color. I'm deciding to just cut out the flowers. Now you could print each flower out in a different color if you had a lot of different colors accessible to you. But right now I just have the turquoise and the red. So I will be printing all three flowers red. Once you're done with that, you can get your inking plate ready again. Rolling the ink out evenly with the brayer. I probably could use a smaller brayer for this, noticing just how big it is compared to the flowers. Rolling the ink evenly on each of the flowers. Making sure that they have a nice coating, not too thick, or the lines will not print. And then you're going to take out your best print, and you're going to match your images up perfectly, which is a little tricky. You're going to go nice and slow and being careful, trying to match up the shapes and stay inside the lines, because if you do, the white lines will stay white and you'll get a nice even print. And I dropped this middle one, so now I'm trying to fix it. All right, best you can. Flip it over, and same as before, you're gently rubbing the back of each of the foam areas, making sure that you're going to have good printing quality. Okay, moment of truth. We'll see how it turned out. Peeling back. Excellent. So if we line them up correctly, which it looks like I did, you can still see your white lines and you get that beautiful quality image. The last thing you should do is number and label your prints. So in the bottom left corner, you're numbering them. And the bottom right hand corner, you're going to sign it with your signature. Nice job!